Hey, look. I know I ain't been taking a lot of videos this time, man. Look at this fucking boulder. I think we almost at the top of this joint. Man, I just want y'all to see, because I almost missed this joint. Look how big this thing, this is a house, huh? This house. Look at this motherfucker. Now, you can't get in, I'm facing this way here. Look at this, and it's two of them. I didn't even see it was two of them. Look at this motherfucker. These are houses, huh? Imagine what a homeless motherfucker do if he could carve a nice joint out of it, huh? God's creation, man. Get out them fucking houses.